Yo, what's up? Today I will teach you how to edit on Premiere Pro, and you will finally know how the pros edit their videos. First, you want to bring your recordings in. Like, bro, how are you going to edit without it? You want to press import and find your recording. Then you want to drag it into your timeline and it should look like this. Then you want to cut your video. Like bro who will watch a 20-minute gameplay. Cut the video until you have the entertaining parts left. After cutting your video it should look like this. After that you want subtitles. It's just eye-catching for the viewer. Press T so the text box pops up. Type anything you want. You want to copy what the voice says and write it down. Next, go to Effect Controls. Change the font to your liking. Then press this to center your text. Then hold down Windows and Control while dragging your text to the bottom. After that you want to add stroke and shadow to just make the text look better. Make sure both colors are black. Then if you want a spring effect on your text, then press the stopwatch next to scale. Now if you watch it back it creates a spring effect. To not do this again, hold Alt and drag it to another area to duplicate it. Now simply change the text and you can repeat this process. Then get some music, bro, no one wants silence. After adding the music it should look like this. After music, adding sound effects can help the video become funny, so add sound effects here and there. Lastly, we got tracking. Tracking is good if you want the camera to focus on someone/something, and I will show you how to do it. First, zoom in on the character. After that is done, press the stopwatch on position. Then press go to the next frame and see if the character is still in the frame. If he isn't, try messing around with position until it is perfect and keep repeating this process until you have completed the section you want to track. After doing tracking, the result should look like this. Hopefully this helped you become better at editing. But now I'm going to go. For the meantime, be sure to ask any questions in the comments.
If you have reached until this part of the video, thank you. Here's a clap.